Hi. Most people doesn't struggle with content because they don't have ideas. They struggle because they always start from zero. Familiar? Okay. Then listen and listen closely. You consume content every day. You watch videos, you read posts, you read books, you you feed yourself with lots of stuff. You have ideas, you find all of these things, or some of these things at least, very useful. And then you sit down, like once a week or whatever your frequency of content creating is. You sit down and blank. What should I say? What should I write about? Should it be an essay? Should it be something funny? Should it be something important? Should it be something professional? What should be the angle? I absolutely understand you. I 100% understand you. And this is the actual reason why I built something really useful. And today I'm going to show you how to make your life much easier. Because I think it is not a question of consistency. It is a question of having the fewest decisions possible when we talk about frequent, regular, consistent content creation. I built a system, and I myself, well, one thing, I built a system, but more importantly, this is something I do. Some of you asked me what are the things I do, and this is one of the things I actually do. So some of my clients send me content they saw, they read, they consumed the past week, and I repurpose these pieces of content and I summarize them. I organize the main points in them, and I do a little summary. I send it to them every week. And if they ask me, if they need it, if they feel it necessary, then I also build or create some posts. And I also calibrate, I also adjust, align these posts to different platforms, because this is important to understand and to know, especially for us solopreneurs and small businesses, that it's a very different thing to post something on Instagram. It's very different from posting it on TikTok. It's very different posting it on YouTube here, on Facebook. It's different. And I can help people with that. But enough of me. Let me show you what I built. This is important. You can start using it today. Okay, so this is going to be a basic and absolutely operational version of the system. You can start using it today, as I said. Again, I am in a private browsing window or an incognito window. I'm not logged in. This is the first time this AI and I meet. It's a white sheet of paper. Let me show you what I prepared for all of you. As usual, you always start with the role. Always. Okay, make your life easy. It's difficult enough, I think, in other fields. So when you have the chance, make your life easier. Always start with the role. In this case, we are talking about somebody who is responsible for content. Again, if you want to adjust, please do so. Okay, if you want to align, please do so. If you want to change something, please do so. So if you need somebody who is specialized in YouTube, tell the AI that this is what you want. You are a content assistant specialized in YouTube content. Pow! Already much more focused than saying this. Not saying anything, not giving any role to it is the worst thing you can do when you want useful, effective collaboration with AI. Okay, give it a role and define it to the goal at hand. Now I'm telling it its job, which is the context or the environment or the situation or the problem. In this case, I'm saying your job is to turn the videos I send into clear, usable content direction. Again, if you don't only send it videos, then tell it beforehand. Tell it your job is to turn the videos, posts, articles, poetry, images, whatever the content is. Okay, or you just don't say videos. Your job is to turn any kind of content I send you into clear, usable content direction. Focus on what actually matters, what people struggle with. These are the pain points, of course. What I can post immediately. And this is the suggestion, this is the recommendation, this is the direction I can go from summarizing what comes in. So from the input, what output I will find useful for continuing carrying on with my job. Give me, this is the result. Okay, this is the result. This is the output. Give me key themes, audience pain, 5 post ideas with strong hooks already. Okay, I think each and every one of us who have been into creating something, a piece of content, we all run into, if the hook is not strong enough, most people will click away. I am not very strong on hooks because most people say I'm more a thinker than a doer. Okay, I can live with that if it's true. And still, hooks are very, very important. So this is a very useful addition to your prompt already. 5 post ideas with strong hooks. Keep it simple and usable. Okay, first things first, as usual, I am going to hit enter to see how much we understood each other even before starting the conversation and collaboration. Okay, enter. And it says, got it. Send me the first video. I'll break it down into what actually matters, no fluff. What your audience is struggling with, clear content angles you can use right away, 5 strong post ideas with hooks you can post immediately. Ready when you are. Okay, I copy pasted 3 links from YouTube. All of them are somehow AI related videos, educational, tutorials, mindset, attitude. And I think 3 is enough for us now. Because what I want to show you is if this works or not. And if it does, I really hope it does. Of course, I tested it. So when it does, how and how effective it is, what it gives you. You know what? Enough talking. Let's hit enter again and enter. And it does its work. Oh. And it is true to itself and it is honest. I couldn't reliably pull the actual content. They're not surfacing properly via search, okay? So I won't hallucinate details. Instead, here's the most useful move. I still give you usable content direction based on the type of videos you're likely saving. Sharper breakdowns, drop titles or screenshots, and I'll go deeper. What actually matters across these types of videos. Most videos in this space repeat the same core ideas. Now I already will get something useful. Simplicity beats complexity. I can't agree more. This is what I teach. Absolutely great. People don't fail because they lack info, they fail because they can't turn info into action. Okay. Number 2, consistency is more important than motivation. Yes. I stop here. It's just a very strong yes from me. Number 3, attention is the real currency. Well, if you still need convincing about this, please find the person who can convince you about this, because this is the truth of it. End of story. And number 4, most advice is too abstract. My God, it's true. Okay, viewers leave thinking, cool, but what do I actually do? That gap, your opportunity. Okay, And then it already, I mean, AI already moves toward the audience pain. This is gold, it says. Overconsumption loop. They watch videos, save them, and do nothing. Confusion, too many strategies, no clear path. Very, very true. I think Dan Martel said that deciding something or making a decision is 80% deciding what to say no to. This is really, well, aligning with too many strategies, no clear path. Number three, lack of execution. They don't know where to start. But okay, so it gives a very, very good picture of what the audience's pain very well might be from the things I sent it as consumed content by me and liked content by me. Key content themes you should hit, 5 post ideas. Now we are talking. 5 post ideas ready to use. Hook, stop saving videos, do this instead. Content 3-step system, watch once, write one action, do it immediately. And write it or save this as it is, and tell AI you are a sales and creative copywriter with huge experience in teaching people how to become more productive. Please write me a 500 to 800 word Facebook post unwrapping this, and you just give it this, and it will give you something. Please never use word by word what AI gives you. I'm just asking you, but still I'm asking you not to do that, okay? Read it, then rewrite it or pay someone, okay, to rewrite it for you. Or when you find it too something, then you ask AI, please be more human, please be more professional, please be more, I don't know, teenager, please be more business like, please be more salesy, please be less salesy, and so on, so on, so on, so on, so on. Okay, so calibrate, always adjust, align, change. This is, you remember, it's a conversation. Okay, and so number two, you don't need more information, you need this content, explain, call out overthinking. Okay, number 4, 5, let's go for 5. If I had to start from zero, I'd ignore 90% of advice. Focus on one skill, one platform, one habit. One skill, one platform, one habit. I love it as a start. If I had to start, so this is for beginners or again beginners. What you can post immediately. Line 1, line 2, line 3, and okay. And I almost always tell that the clearer you define the role, the better the result will be. The clearer you define the role, the better the result will be, or the more useful the result will be. In this case, if you want this sharper, send me the video titles or screenshots and I'll break each one down precisely, not generic like this. Let me tell you something. If you use the tape script, of the video and you copy paste it into this system, into this prompt, into this conversation, AI will give you a much sharper, a much more focused, a much more customized, personalized result. And when you adjust during the conversation, when you adjust it to, okay, but I'm a coach, I'm a consultant, I'm a plumber, I'm a roofer, okay, please align it to that. Please rewrite it accordingly. If you only say this, so you say I am this and this and this and this, and my audience is like this and this and this and this and this, and my goal with this post is, please rewrite accordingly gold. Okay? It starts doing it, and you will have a working, operational, useful, rich result. This is for today. I really hope you found something useful, something practical to yourself. If so, please like, subscribe, follow, because these are the systems I'm going to build and explain in the future as well on this channel. And if you need any help with your AI, or if you need any help with your content, either any of my offers, then you find me in the description. Feel free to contact me. These are the things I usually do. And thank you very much for watching. Next time we are building something useful again. Bye.